just got the brand new Xman Tornado V3 and also Xman Loop in Silicon Wave 5. I am so happy. This took like a week to wait for the cubicle. Okay, I am like literally shocked because like every almost every cuber unboxes this Tornado V3 in the video. So okay, so as you see, this is the Pioneer version with maglev and a magnetic core. So we're gonna open it. By the way, this is made by Chi-E. Or whatever it's called, I don't know. Ooh, my God. This looks so cool. It's true. Oh, it's so polished. I can do this all day. It's so satisfying. It's pretty heavy and light at the same time. That is so uncontrollable. Wow, it's so cool. Wait, the magazine? Oh my God. Z-perm. This is so good. Wow. H-perm. We see the dual adjustment system. How good is it this time? Oh my God. There's like a little handle on it. So I can push it up and turn it. Like how other people do it. Okay, so I'm gonna do a solve without a timer. So fast. Oh my. After this, I'm gonna check the corner cutting. Oh, this is out. Wait, this is a really bad solve. Well, it looks like really uncontrollable. That's just, it's way too uncontrollable. Okay, so then we're gonna open this thing, the Xman lube. Oh, I forgot something. There's this thing in here. It's a red. I just love the red on my color scheme. So we get our own credit card, and we have a pan lid. It says with this adjusting tool, you can be able to adjust the magnets with it. A cube wiper. This is the adjustment tool. And then we have the, God, it's so soft. Oh my God, it's so soft. Here you have the bag, and I hate those. So cool. Thank you for watching this video. Later I'll do another one with the loops. Bye.